The World Health Organization in Europe is warning that COVID-19 vaccine mandates should be a last resort. It says all other options should be exhausted to improve inoculation uptake first. The remarks come as cases soar across the continent. For more, Ollie Barrett joins us now live from London. Ollie, rising fears across Europe amid the spread of Omicron?
I think that's fair, and there are a growing number of responses coming from European countries as well. Here in the UK, for example, today, new testing requirements come into force for all international arrivals who will now have to take a PCR test within 2 days of getting here and isolate until they get a negative result. The French are shutting down nightclubs for a period to try and slow rising infections. We're seeing vaccine mandates being rolled out in some countries. We do have travel restrictions in place, which is something the WHO also opposes on behalf of a number of European countries trying to stop travel from the particularly southern African region. Crucially, though, the World Health Organization is also saying that it doesn't yet know enough about the Omicron variant. And actually, many European countries at the moment are still dealing with problems coming from the outbreaks of the Delta variant. So it is a difficult picture for a series of European countries heading into the Christmas holiday period, not least because of restrictions around travel, which are only increasing at the moment. But EU health ministers are also meeting today to discuss whether travel restrictions should now be eased as Omicron spreads here in a way that we've already seen in some other parts of the world.
And that would include the UK. What measures has Britain taken?
So, yeah, those travel restrictions that have been updated as of today. We also do have restrictions in place on travel from southern Africa, but also now Nigeria as well, which is the latest country to be added to the UK's red list. We have a mask mandate for people in shops and on public transport, not in hospitality. Some opposition politicians believe the government here should go further and put more measures in place to try and slow the spread of the Omicron variant. There are over 300 confirmed cases of Omicron in the UK so far. The real number, it is accepted, is clearly going to be significantly higher than that already. The UK Health Secretary confirming that the Omicron variant is now spreading in the community. There are a number of cases that have not been linked in any way to international travel. One potentially small piece of good news for now is that the Health Secretary is also saying that out of all of the 336 Omicron cases confirmed in the UK so far, he believes that none of them has required hospitalisation.
Good to know. Thanks very much for sharing. Ollie Barrett there, speaking to us from London.